wants for things to enjoy different kind of sense gratification. And this is true. And our body wants different things. And then our health, body, and very nice body. And many people also going, what is it called? To exercise.
Gym.
Gymnastics.
Going to the gym.
Gym. And how to body build. And how to body build, then nice these things. And this is still going on. This thing. But one day this body will be finished. This is true. Because you can't break the law of this nature. Jatasya dhruva mittu dhruvang janma mitasya cha. One who takes birth in this material world, one day he will be die. This is true. Eh? But we don't want to listen this word. Which word? Die. This word we want to delete from the dictionary. Because we don't want to listen. But this is what you are. Absolute truth. You cannot deny these things. But now question is, this body one day will be finished. This thing true. One day will be die. But our Shastra is saying, before give up this body, you have to do something. Then your life will be successful. Understand? Otherwise nothing. And you have come this material world, you have to suffer of your own previous fruitive action, there is a karma. Yeah. When your this first fruitive action karma finished, then automatically you will give up this body. Just to give an example, just you see of your own palm. Everybody can see. Looking your own palm? What you are looking? Can see your own palm? Lines. Oh, you are looking many lines. But you see your left, right persons, the lines are same or not? No, other person who is sitting next. His palm.
No, they're not the same.
They're
not the same.
Not the same. Who made this line? Now question is coming also mine. Who made this line? And why this line has come? Very nice, beautiful curves, different. Just like someone is best, what is called? Artist. Look this thing. And my hand, your hand, everybody's hand, completely. Night artist. Not same thing. And what is the significance about this line also? Question is coming. Maybe your mother made this line. When you was very small baby, then your mother took one knife and carved. This is true? No. So who made this line? And what is the significance about these lines? This is question. Actually, our spiritual science explains this line is coming from of your previous karma, fruit of action. If you go to the astrologer, will be explain this is your good line, bad lines. You will get money, you will lose money, you get lot of money, and you will be scientist, you will be teacher, you will be lawyer, different they will be explained this true. But try to understand these things. Actually, this line is coming from your past fruitive action, karma. Hey, sit down. When Hari Katha, Haribol, you sit down, sit down. When Hari Katha, sit down. Everything, sit down. Otherwise, if you moving, then mind will be moved. And audience mind will, all audience looking to you, looking to me. So don't move. When Hari Katha, no move. Understand? Concentrate your mind.
Concentrate.
Yeah, concentrate, this thing. Actually what I am saying, this is actually your action, fruitive action karma. You have to suffer or have to enjoy. Because according to your previous karma. You believe or not, You believe incarnation? That you call reincarnation or not? But it is true, absolutely true. This. And in this way, you are wandering the same cycle of repeated birth and death. Same way you are wandering the same thing. Because in this life you are doing good karma, understand? Then next life prepare for you. Everything is for prepare. Future, everything. And now you are suffering or enjoying everything, and past fruitive action is coming this way. Because this is very important in our spiritual science. We believe in the one law. You know the Newton law, third law? What do you know? Who knows?
Every action has got an equal and opposite reaction.
For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction is going on. All scientists, they believe this thing. This is true. Equal and opposite, this thing. Even you are also driving your car, how the car is going on. This is also the thing. Your tire, wheel, also what? To hitting the road, and road also is also what? Hitting. And then our wheels are going this way. Birds, they are flying. Just I tell you a few words. Birds flying, they are flying. And they also push the air, and air also what? Push it. This is what going on. So for this year, when you notice, when the birds are flying, you can see. Sometimes they also flying there, and within up and down their wings. They push the air, and air also what? Pushes back. These things are going on. Everywhere in this material world, everything is this theory is going on. In the same way, this action is going on. Karma. Previous life you did good karma. Past activity you did. Understand? So for this regard, lot of money, wealth, name, fame is coming. In this life if you did bad karma, then waiting for your next life, you have to suffer this. This is what is going on this way. This is called our cycle of repeated birth and death. You want good things, but sometimes coming also bad things. Why? Karmannopi arhumananam dukhoti sukhayacha pasyat pako viparja mithuna charinaninam. In Srimad Bhagavad, Sukadeva Goswami quoted this verse. In this material world, everybody wants good things and doing karma, doing hard work, but sometimes not good things, sometimes coming to bad action also coming. You open your shop or you open your one business, this is true, you invested a lot of money, and I don't know how much pound you invested your business, lot of money. $1 million you invested in your business, but you don't know how much profit you will get. This is not in your hand. Just you guess, maybe I will get this profit, this profit. This is your hope. This is true. You open your shop, but you don't know today how many customers will come. You cannot say. How many customers will come? You cannot say. And how many you will be get profit? You cannot say this everything. But you are doing open business, your endeavors is going on every day. Every day you are doing these things. That means I am saying these things. Karmannopi, you have right to perform karma. This is true. Karmanne vadikaraste ma phalesu kadachana. Srimad Bhagavad Gita action says, you have right to perform karma. Your duty, this is true. But fruit is not your hand. Lord says, I will give fruit. This is true. Eh? So I am saying, because you have to depend on Krishna, Bhagavan, these things. Then you will be satisfied and will be happy, these things. Otherwise you will never be happy, these things. Eh? Try to understand this philosophy. Your duty is this, that. And how to stop of your fruit of action which is going on. But how will you stop? Because if you do good karma, then more action will come. If you bad karma, bad action will come. Because this is the nature of this. Eh? So our acharyas explain how to stop this rotation, cycle of repeated birth and death. Eh? Samsara. Samsara, you understand? Right? To wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death according to God. According to your fruit of action. So our the philosophy very clearly explains simply if you chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everybody chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You may ask, Maharaj, what is this? Actually, this is called mantra. Mantra means that is called the mystic power. Mystic power you cannot see with your material eyes, material vision. Everything. Because this is called the holy names, Lord's name. Eh? If you chant these holy names, continue, then all your fruitful action, karma will be destroyed. And again will not come in this material world. You will go the abode of Lord. Eh? If you go the abode of Lord, that Sanskrit, that Bhagavad Dham, you will never suffer anything. And that place is called the place of complete Lord. Absolutely enjoy and will be happy. Very nice, beautiful land. Actually, you are the resident of that land. Back to God, back to home. You are the residents of Golok Vrindavan. So please return back to your home, then you will be happy. Otherwise never will be happy. And again you coming in this cycle of repeated birth and death. Sometimes you will become poor, sometimes you will become rich. Sometimes you will take birth at different places. Sometimes you forgot. Many times you took birth in India, Africa, England, or different places. You are thinking you are here. This. But you chant these holy names, just simply holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then you will be happy. Then just when you give up your body, then you attain to Lord. Whatever you are doing, what is your business? You are doctor, lawyer, businessman, student. What you are doing? You can stay your place. You stay with your families, husband, wife, children, no harm. But you chant simply Lord's holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And so much energy will come in your body and mind. So I request you, everybody chant holy names and be happy. Just this is your message. This message has come from transcendental world, that is called Golok Vrindavan. This is your message.